The new Master and Dynamic MW65 over-ear headphones have active noise cancellation, up to 24 hours of battery life with USB-C fast charging, and a weight of only 250 grams/8.8 ounces. It's a lighter chip than Sony's 1000XM3, and it's doubly impressive, since M&D is doing it while using large pieces of metal and leather instead of Sony's more pragmatic plastic construction. The advantage of the MW65 is that they sound better, more natural than Sony's 1000X. Both pairs are very comfortable, but Sony incorporates the philosophy of eliminating noise at any cost, while Master and Dynamic says that music sounds better by silencing external noise. The Master and Dynamic MW65 are available to buy now for $499/499/449 in a choice of brown leather with silver or black metal with metallic bronze.